Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to find the divisors of 15. If you want to learn more about divisors, you can visit mathstoon.com. Now let's move to our solution. Firstly, we will find all the possible ways in which we can divide 15. Let's start with 1. 15 divided by 1 gives us 15. So we have 1 and 15 as the divisors of 15. Now as 15 is an odd integer, so it will not be divisible by 2. So we will try with 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Hence 3 and 5 are the divisors of 15. Now we cannot divide 15 by 4 as this is an odd number. Next number 5 is already here, so we will stop right now. So we have all the divisors of 15, which are the orange ones. That is 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the total number of divisors of 15 is 4. Now if we look at these divisors, we can see that 3 and 5 among these numbers are prime numbers because these two numbers do not have any divisor other than 1 and that number itself. So we can say that the prime divisors of 15 are 3 and 5. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.